Today, I'll show you how to restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of Acrobat, because the newer layout may show tools inside the All Tools panel on the left side. Now open the PDF file you want to protect. Once the PDF is open, go to All Tools, look for Protect a PDF and open it. This tool lets you add security settings to your PDF, including restrictions for editing, copying, and printing. Now choose the option for Password Protection or Advanced Protection. Depending on your Acrobat version, you may see options like Protect using password, Encrypt with password, or Restrict editing. To stop other people from editing the PDF, choose the option that lets you restrict editing. Acrobat may open a security settings window. Look for the Permissions section. Now, enable the option that restricts editing and printing of the document. You may be asked to create a permissions password. This password is important because it controls who can remove or change the restrictions later. Enter a strong password that you can remember, then confirm the password by typing it again. Next, choose what people are allowed to do with the PDF. For example, you may allow printing but block editing, or you may block both editing and copying. You may also see options for commenting, filling form fields, page extraction, or copying text and images. Choose the settings that match what you need. If you only want people to read the PDF, keep the permissions more restricted. If you want people to fill out forms or add comments, allow those actions before saving. After choosing the permissions, click OK or Apply. Acrobat may ask you to confirm the password again, enter it, and continue. Now save the file. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original PDF without restrictions, choose Save As and create a protected copy. After saving, close the PDF and open it again to test it. Try editing the file to make sure the restriction is working. Also remember that restrictions are mainly meant to prevent normal editing in PDF tools. They are not the same as strong document encryption unless you also require a password to open the file. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, go to Protect a PDF, choose the editing restriction option, set a permissions password, choose what actions are allowed, apply the settings, and save the protected copy. And that's how you restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.